Hello friends, welcome back to my channel 5 Minutes Tech. This is Vivo Y95 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can take slow motion video in Vivo Y95 smartphone. First of all, open camera in your phone and click on videos mode. And click here. You will have normal, slow motion and time lapse video. Here you have to select slow motion option. Click here for slow motion mode and start recording your video. When you are recording, it will be like a normal mode, but it's actually counting 4 times. See the timer. So your normal recording will be converted into slow motion. I have written welcome to 5 Minutes Tech. Now I am going to play the slow motion video that I recorded. So when you play, it will be like a slow motion. The action is in slow motion. See here. So in this way you can take slow motion video in Vivo Y95 smartphone. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos. Until then, goodbye.